In today's short video, we're going to be a little bit boring, but easy. We're going to go through some basic trading terminologies that should be helpful, especially for beginner traders. What is long and short? What is bid and ask? What is spread? What is the limit order? What is market order? What is day order? What is margin, liquidity, volatility, trading volume, market capitalization, bull market, bear market, IPO, secondary offering, outstanding shares. What are all those terms mean? What's up guys, this is Barro, aka Investmentor. Thanks for watching to kill some time with me. In today's short video, we're going to be a little bit boring, but easy. We're going to go through some basic trading terminologies that should be helpful, especially for beginner traders. If you are considered too experienced or too advanced to learn, please feel free to shut me down immediately. No hesitate, no mercy please. But if you don't mind to be nice and kind to brush up some fundamental real quick, please stay tuned to have some fun here. Okay, so let's try to recall some common trading terminology. What is long and short? What is bid and ask? What is spread? What is the limit order? What is market order? What is day order? What is margin, liquidity, volatility, trading volume, market capitalization, bull market, bear market, IPO, secondary offering, outstanding shares. What are all those terms mean? So let's start from here. What is long and short? They're simply trading directions. Long is when you expect the price to go up, so you want to buy. Short is when you expect the price to go down, so you want to sell. Can be easier, right? For long, it doesn't matter if you are already holding the stocks or not. But for short, if you are already holding the stocks and want to short it, so you just sell the stock. But if you're not holding the stocks but still want to sell, then you borrow the stock to sell. To this end, it's good to know that stock borrowing is a feature or service provided by most of brokers nowadays through their SBL system, which is stock borrowing and lending system. For short selling, you borrow the stocks at a certain price and later on you buy them back to return to the broker at a certain price. So the price difference would be your P&L, would be your profit and loss. To this end, please be aware that risk at short selling can be unlimited, as usually any price increase can be uncapped, right? Also, there are interest payments generated from borrowing stocks for short selling. So it's usually an extra agreement to be signed to get approved with the broker at this feature. Okay, so for the next, what is bid and ask? When you're looking at order books in your trading system, there are always two prices to pay attention to. There are bid and ask prices. Bid is the price provided by buyers and ask is the price provided by sellers. Bid is always on the left-hand side in your order book and ask is always on the right-hand side in your order book. Easy but boring, right? I've told you at the beginning, this video is useful for beginner traders. But please, be patient if you are nice and kind. So for the next, what is spread? Simply the difference between bid and ask prices. Take Tesla stocks for example. If the ask price is 650 cents and the bid price is 630 cents, then the bid and ask spread is 20 cents. It's important to mention here that large cap stocks are more liquid with more people to trade, so the bid-ask spread is usually tighter. On the other hand, small cap stocks are less liquid with lesser people to trade, so the bid-ask spread is usually wider. Wider bid-ask spread can often incur higher costs for short-term traders. The wider the spread, the higher the costs are for short-term traders, because they often want to buy and sell in a very short period of time and thus have to cover spread as their trading cost. As for the next, let's go through some trading order type. Limit order is to execute only at a certain price or more profitable price. For example, the trader placed a limit buy order to purchase 100 shares of a stock at $10.20. So the broker will buy the 100 shares only at the price of $10.20 or below the price. So the price is better, right? How about market order? Market order is to buy and sell as quickly as possible at whatever price is currently available. Market order can be expensive if it's not enough trading volume, as the bid and ask spread would be super wide. If you're going to trade penny stocks, you should almost never use a market order, which just puts you at much higher risk. How about day order? Day order is automatically canceled at the market close if the order is not filled during the day. And margin is like to borrow money to trade. Some brokers allow margin trading, but I wouldn't recommend beginner traders with that. This will just put you at much higher risk with not necessarily better return, because your greed and fear are also pumped here. For example, you might have $10,000 in your trading account but use a margin account to purchase $20,000 of stocks. With margin trading, your profit and loss can be largely amplified, and also your greed and fear. So you're going to be careful here. Volatility. Volatility is how much the price can go up and down. It's a statistical measure of how much price moves up and down. Stocks moving up and down widely are more volatile. Making sense? And high volatility can incur wilder change in your P&L. So you're also going to be careful with the volatility here. So how about liquidity? Liquidity is the measure of how easy a stock can be bought and sold quickly with tighter spread. Higher trading volume usually means more liquidity. So trading volume is the number of shares being traded at a point in time. More trading volume means the stock is more active and it's easier to enter and exit with your position. Okay, so what's market capitalization? Market capitalization is also known as market cap. It's the total value of all a company's shares. For example, if a company has 1 million shares outstanding and the stock price is $10 per share, the market cap will be 10 million. And usually, the bigger the market cap is, the stabler a company is. Bull market. Bull market is a market condition where stock prices are continuously rising, which is our favorite. Bear market, on the other hand, is the opposite of the bull market. It's market condition where prices are continuously falling. An outstanding share is the total number of a company's share. It's including both the publicly traded share and restricted share held by management or key investors. IPO. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. It's what and when a company sells shares on the stock market for the first secondary offering. A company may raise money from investors by offering shares even after the company's shares are traded on a stock exchange. This is called secondary offering. Blue chip stock. Blue chip stocks are large, stable, well-known companies that are often profitable and pay consistent dividends. ADR stands for American Depository Receipts. They're certificates that represent shares of overseas stocks. ADR allows you to buy and sell overseas stocks on US stock exchanges in much the same way you can trade American stocks when you want to trade like Chinese stock, Japanese stock, European stock, etc. What about beta? Beta is a statistical measure to assess how stock performs compared to the broader market. Investors usually use beta as a way of understanding how much risk it is in holding a stock. Okay, so let's stop here as the time is limited. It's very easy and boring. Relax, please. It's just impossible to get everything interesting and exciting every single day, okay? Boring things in life sometimes can just help us to relax, to recollect things better. We can always have some more meditation along the way to brush up some easy and boring things. This is great helpful, and this is proven scientifically. Believe it or not, after all, you are easy and boring too, right? Otherwise, please tell me the reason why you are still sitting there. Although it might be easy and boring, I hope this can still be somewhat helpful. No matter what you think, please leave your thoughts and comments and strike a like and subscribe button down below even if you don't really like to do so. Because Donation will be made to charities based on your kind supports, and then I can only survive to make more boring or interesting videos with your kind or hesitant supports. After all, I will definitely keep struggling to examine and find out more for you until next time. See you.